Liquid you inject now, it will vaporize and then that will be taken to the column and that will be ionized in the detector. But here there will be a 20 ml vial. Okay, vial this is generally as they inject liquid there. Here you can directly transfer the liquid here. Okay, here there is a heating zone. Okay, the vial will go inside and then it will be taken to the heating zone. Here you need to heat the vial for sufficient whatever the vaporization temperature required. For that temperature you have to heat the vial. Once you heat the vial, the vapor will be collected here. Okay, here that vapor will be directly taken to the DC. This is something like this is very easy process. There in other technique in liquid, say if you have a solid sample, okay, you need to extract that and then you have to filter it and then you have to inject the complete liquid form. You have to take it into the liquid form. But here it is not like that. You can directly put the solid. Okay, that solid will be vaporized. Whatever the content it is there in the solid, that will be vaporized and then that will be taken to the instrument. Now you have a sample. This solid directly you can transfer it here. Okay, and then this is a crimping tool. You have to crimp it. Once you crimp it, it will be completely covered like this. Okay, once you crimp it, it will be taken to the heating zone. There is a heating zone inside this. Once it heats, now the vapor which will be collected here, that vapor will be injected. This is mainly they use it in the. This is for forensic lab. If you say in a forensic lab, if there is any suicide case, in that case, what they do, they'll cut the cloth. Okay, and then they cut the cloth and they put it inside and they observe that whether it is a kerosene, petrol, due to which it has been happened like that. They can directly analyze directly they cut the cloth and they can put it. Even blood also. See, in few days back, some drug case was there. No, they'll collect the blood and then they'll put it inside this, and then what type of drug has been used like that also can be analyzed. This is direct method.
The drug has to be volatile.
Yeah. No, if you put directly, that's what drug has to be volatile. That is there. Okay.
What is the source of heat? Source of heat?
So it is a heater, general normal cartridge heater. Okay. There is a 1 ml loop present in this
Solvent residue in that.
Okay, here it is always universally it is 1 ml loop we use. Okay, that 1 ml loop, this sample will be collected in that 1 ml loop and then that will be transferred to the instrument. This is again safer technique because in liquid if there is a viscous sample like that, if any contamination is there, then it may damage the column also. Here this is only vapor will be transferred. Chances of contamination will be less in this.
Okay, sir.
But environment, say what air, what it contains, oxygen, nitrogen, even if CO2, if it is there CO2, that cannot be analyzed in FID. FID cannot detect these three gases.